Nature-Rich Labs Fire Extinguisher Training. Fire extinguishers are essential safety devices that can help prevent small fires from becoming major disasters. Knowing how to use a fire extinguisher properly and understanding when to use one can make a critical difference in protecting lives and property. Understanding fire extinguishers and their proper use is crucial in preventing and controlling workplace fires. This training will cover the ABCs of fire extinguishers, understanding different extinguisher types and their uses. The fire triangle, the three elements needed for fire to exist. Classification of fires, identifying different types of fires and the appropriate extinguisher for each. Selecting an extinguisher, how to choose the right extinguisher for a fire scenario. Using a fire extinguisher, the P.A.S.S method and best practices. Dry chemical extinguishers, one of the most common fire suppression agents. Fire extinguisher inspections, regular checks to ensure functionality and compliance. A fire extinguisher is a portable device designed to suppress small fires before they spread. It contains an extinguishing agent, such as water, foam, or chemicals, suited for different fire types. Fire extinguisher classifications. Fire extinguishers are categorized based on the type of fire they are designed to combat. Each extinguisher is labeled accordingly. Class A, fires involving ordinary combustibles. Class B, fires fueled by flammable liquids. Class C, electrical fires. Class D, fires involving combustible metals. Importance of proper extinguisher use. Using the wrong type of extinguisher can intensify a fire rather than suppress it. Always check the pictograph label on the extinguisher. Blue icons indicate the types of fires the extinguisher is suitable for. Black icons with a red slash signify fire types it should not be used on. For example, a water-based extinguisher will be labeled for Class A fires only, meaning it is ineffective and potentially dangerous if used on flammable liquids or electrical fires. Knowing how to identify and use the right extinguisher is critical for workplace and personal safety. To effectively use a fire extinguisher, it's essential to understand the fire triangle, which represents the three elements necessary for fire to ignite and sustain. Heat provides the ignition source and maintains combustion. Fuel, any material that can burn. Oxygen supports the chemical reaction of combustion. How fire extinguishers work. Fire extinguishers are designed to disrupt one or more components of the fire triangle. Cooling. Water-based extinguishers absorb heat and lower the temperature. Smothering. CO2 or foam extinguishers displace oxygen, cutting off the fire's air supply. Starving. Some extinguishers prevent flammable material from continuing to burn. Understanding how fire behaves helps in selecting the right extinguisher and using it effectively. Fires are categorized based on the type of fuel involved. Identifying the fire class is crucial for selecting the correct extinguisher and ensuring safe suppression. Class A fires, ordinary combustibles, involve materials such as wood, paper, cloth, rubber, and plastics. Common in residential, office, and warehouse settings. Best extinguished using water-based or ABC dry chemical extinguishers. Class B fires, flammable liquids and gases, involve gasoline, alcohol, oil-based paints, propane, and other flammable liquids and gases. Often occur in industrial facilities, fuel storage areas, and kitchens. Require foam, CO2, or dry chemical extinguishers. Never use water, as it can spread the fire. Class C fires, electrical fires, involve energized electrical equipment, such as computers, transformers, circuit breakers, and overhead power lines. Occur in workplaces, industrial facilities, and areas with high electrical usage. Require non-conductive extinguishing agents, such as CO2 or dry chemical extinguishers. Never use water on Class C fires, as it conducts electricity and increases the risk of electrocution. Class D fires, combustible metals, involve flammable metals such as aluminum, magnesium, sodium, titanium, and potassium. Typically occur in industrial settings, laboratories, and metal manufacturing facilities. Require specialized dry powder extinguishers designed specifically for metal fires. Never use water or standard extinguishers, as they can cause violent reactions or spread the fire. Class K fires, cooking oil and grease fires, involve cooking oils, fats, and greases commonly found in commercial kitchens and restaurants. Can reach extremely high temperatures, making them difficult to extinguish with standard fire extinguishers. Require wet chemical extinguishers specifically designed to cool and suppress grease fires. Never use water on a Class K fire, as it can cause the flames to spread violently. Choosing the correct fire extinguisher is essential for effective fire suppression and safety. Several key factors determine the most appropriate extinguisher for a given situation. Key considerations: type of hazard. Identify the class of fire. Fire severity. Assess the size and intensity of the fire. Atmospheric conditions. Consider wind, ventilation, and potential hazards. Personnel availability. Ensure trained personnel can operate the extinguisher. Ease of use. Select an extinguisher that is manageable for the intended user. Life safety and operational concerns. Prioritize human safety and business continuity. Proper selection ensures the best chance of safely containing or extinguishing a fire. When using a fire extinguisher, always follow the P.A.S.S technique. 1. Pull the pin. This unlocks the extinguisher and allows the handle to be pressed. 2. Aim at the base of the fire. Always aim at the fuel source, not the flames, for effective suppression. 3. Squeeze the handle. This releases the pressurized extinguishing agent. 4. Sweep from side to side. Move the nozzle in a sweeping motion until the fire is fully extinguished. Begin from a safe distance and move closer as needed. Stay alert for potential reignition. Safety tip: always keep an exit behind you and never allow the fire to block your escape route. Dry chemical extinguishers are versatile and effective against multiple fire types by disrupting the fire's chemical reaction and limiting oxygen availability. Class A fires interrupts the chemical reaction and destroys flames by cooling and coating burning materials. Class B fires smothers flammable liquid fires by excluding oxygen with a blanketing effect. Class C fires dilutes available oxygen to suppress fires involving energized electrical equipment without conducting electricity. Key advantage: dry chemical extinguishers are widely used in industrial, commercial, and residential settings due to their multi-purpose capabilities. At NatureRich Labs, safety is our top priority. Understanding fire classifications, selecting the right extinguisher, and using the P.A.S.S method are essential skills that help protect lives and property. By staying informed and prepared, we contribute to a safer work environment for everyone. We appreciate your attention and commitment to workplace safety. Thank you for participating in this fire extinguisher training. Stay safe, stay prepared, and never hesitate to act responsibly in case of an emergency. Safety first, protect yourself and your team.